So guys, we are on our way to Camiguin from Panabo City. Currently, we are at Nabunturan. Look at this fog, man. Fuck, I'm still drunk. Nabunturan.
Ma'am, mo sa'yo ang lugar diri, ma'am?
Lapak. Agusan. Agusan.
Karagari John.
Karagari John Agusan. I stop over Camiguin. We're going to drink coffee. Ardent, Bokibok, Hot Spring. 4. We're going to a hot spring right now here in Camiguin Island, and it's called the Ardent Bokibok Spring Resort in Tagto, Mambajaw. Basta man ang land travel from Panabo to Camiguin Island.
Nami ang dalan, dasig lang ah. Amo lang. Nagalain sa...
Very expensive yung mga pasang may isla.
Ah, sir.
Basta man sa
Biyahe.
Camiguin Island.
Guwapo eh. Daghan ka ma-experience siguro dire. Yun lang.
Kaya pasang dito na kampo. Sir, basta man na siya pinaka-ano siya.
Lami kayo, palit na mo.
Kaya massage yun. Kawat.